Ever try a sport na hindi mo akalain na magugustuhan mo? For me, that's side quest number 4, pickleball, my newest hobby. Hi, I'm Denzel, and habang nasa waiting season ako, I'm saying yes to side quests. Little adventures, escapes, and core memories that make the waiting worthwhile. For this side quest, I discovered pickleball. Thanks to Mitch who introduced me to the pickleball club dito sa lugar namin. I'm already on my second session and grabe, nag-e-enjoy talaga ako. Ang sarap sa feeling nung tumatagaktak yung pawis habang naglalaro. The game usually start around 6 p.m. and end late, minsan umaabot pa ng 10 or 11 p.m. It's fast-paced, fun, and honestly, nakakagaan ng loob after a long day. Ganun ako nag-e-enjoy na napacheck out na ako ng paddle at ngayon, nagtitingin na ako ng mga pickleball outfits. Another side quest down, more core memories to go. Follow me for side quest number 5 kasi waiting season doesn't have to be boring.
Nice one! Nice! I-over lang. Nice one! Drop, drop, drop!
Sorry.